Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of Dr. Hedgie's Travelogue. In this episode, we came to Hokkaido, Japan and experienced a ski trip. Our destination is Hoshino Resorts Tomamu in Furano. In fact, this place is not difficult to get to. From Sapporo Station in Hokkaido, we can take the Super Tokachi train and arrive here in about 2 hours. When the train arrives at the station, we found that the shuttle bus would take us to the hotel, which was very convenient. In fact, we've been here twice in the past. The first time we stayed in the cheaper price, the tower. The room level was average. Our second stay was in the renovated Resort Tomamu, where the room was larger and the room was equipped with a sauna and jacuzzi. It was impressive in terms of how the room was equipped. Having been exhausted after the long journey and after settled down, we went to the hotel's forest restaurant in Inupuri for buffet dinner. For buffet dinner in Japan, I feel that this relatively high-end resort hotel, the choices of food is not as abundant as the one in Hong Kong, but the quality of food is still very pleasing. When you come here in Japan, of course, don't miss the chance to visit the season-limited ice village. There are also slides in ice, which are very fun and exciting. There are also restaurants and bars in the ice village, but I can't see many customers. After all, the temperature here is already minus 14 degrees Celsius. It seems that everyone wants to stay indoor for a cozy and warm dinner. The resort also has an indoor artificial wave swimming pool, the Smile Beach, so even if you want to go swimming in winter, it's possible. For those who enjoy a little more quiet time, there is also a hot spring here, but when you soak in, you will feel that the water here has a strong smell of chlorine, but you can still enjoy snow outside while soaking in the hot spring. After a good night's sleep, it's time to have breakfast in the next morning and fuel up and get ready to go skiing. The hotel rents ski equipment here, so you don't have to bring your own. As we are only beginners, we will only try the simple beginner ski trails. The nearest ski trail to the hotel is the Halonipo Ski Trail, which only takes a few minutes of ski lift ride to reach the top of the trail. You can see the trail is quite wide. The slopes of the trail is also very suitable for beginners to practice. This is where I first learned how to ski. Next to the Halonipor is the Nepal's forest. The entrance of the ski path is at the left side of the Halonipor ski path. This ski path is relatively narrow and is a more exciting ski trail. And by the way, here is a little record of my ski. After consuming a lot of calories from exercises, we went to another restaurant in the hotel, Buffet Dining Haru, for buffet dinner that night. I think the food level of this restaurant is better than the restaurant last night, and the price per person is 5,800 yen per head. And I remember the best food here is the long-legged crab legs and steak. I would also recommend trying the special desserts here, the Sea of Clouds Parfait, which is also known as the Unkai Parfait. It's the end of the ski trip. Our final task is to climb out the 1,088-meter high Mount Tomamu. For this, we needed to take the special cable car, the Unkai gondola. It took us about 15 minutes to reach the top of the mountain. Even friends who don't know how to ski should come to the top to watch the famous fog ice, which is the snow and ice hanging on the trees. From here, we passed a group of tourists and ski through the 3.3-kilometer Silver Bell ski trail from the top of the mountain. This ski trail is also a beginner path. Maybe my skiing speed is slow. It took us about half an hour to go down the mountain. Although we can still see the vast and beautiful snow scene on the way, so skiing was also a kind of enjoyment. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Looking forward to see you soon. Ciao!